So basically the first step is the creation of the app in Facebook. For that we need to go to developers.facebook.com. We will be creating a new app. We will click on create app. Now we will be clicking on other and we will click on next. So here we will be selecting the first option, that is business, and now we'll click on next. Now it's the time to write the name of the app. Um, Give the name in such a way that it's easier for you to understand that yes, this was the app which was created specifically for WhatsApp Cloud API. And now click on create app. So once you have clicked on create app, you will be taken to the next screen. Once it is loaded, so we will be coming to this particular screen, and this was the step 1, that is creation of the app.